Hi guys, I know it's been a minute, but since I posted a video, but I've been really busy laying in bed and reading. And by reading, I mean watching YouTube videos and the news. So today we're going to talk about gardening. I come from a long line of gardeners, which I'm realizing doesn't mean that I'm a good one. So what I did was I planted some seeds in a raised bed in our backyard, and I didn't want to do the little name tab things, so my plan was to just do a little diagram on a piece of paper so I would know what was in what row. So that is a really good plan, except I didn't do that and I forgot. And now I don't remember really exactly what I planted or where. And then Teddy got in the bed and laid down, moved around a little bit. So I don't know what's gonna happen. All right, let me just show you a little bit. All right, so you can see something's coming up here. I think you can see that. I don't know what that is. I have no idea what that is. And then this is where Teddy was laying down. I think that was supposed to be tomatoes. I've heard those are supposed to be planted really deep, so hopefully that's true. And I do have this really nice chard. So here's the thing. All right, I've been growing lettuce in the kitchen, and maybe you know how to do this already, but Karen hadn't heard about this before, so I thought I would show you. So when you have a head of lettuce, let's say iceberg, let's not say iceberg, let's say romaine, because that's what I used. When you chop it up, you leave the bottom part, like about this much, and you just stick it in a little bowl of water. And after about 4 days, it looks like that. So see, it's growing little lettuces, and then it gets a little bit bigger, and then it starts looking like this. See that? And then the really big one, which I'm about ready to plant, looks like this. So you want to, it'll have little roots at the bottom. So you want to wait till it has little roots sprouting, and then plant it. Now you can also do the same thing with the bottom of celery, which I did, and that was just like a day ago, and you can see it's starting to come up in the middle, like a whole new thing of celery will come up. Those are my big gardening tips, and I think they begin and end there, because obviously I don't know what I'm doing. I do have a nice parsley plant here, but I let it bolt, which is not good, so it's not being very parsley-ish, it's doing other things. And then here's a pretty much dead pepper plant. Anyway, too much gardening talk for me, and maybe for you. I really don't know what else I have to report. It's been slow around here. Really slow. So really that's all I have to show you. Unless you want a tour of the rest of the backyard. Why not, right? Okay. This is our lemon tree. It's kind of new, and one lemon came off of it so far. This is, let's see, what am I looking at? A sitting area that no one ever sits in, and sometimes Bob and his friends do, actually. Oop, a little bright. And then there's a fire pit, which is actually kind of nice. Then we have this orange tree, which the oranges are a little sour still, but they make good juice. This is for hitting baseballs into off of a tee, and then they go right in the net. This is a ping pong table, in case you've never seen one and don't know what those are. What? And then this is where the dogs like to hang out, obviously. Who wouldn't want to hang out there? Back door, back porch. This tree is actually really pretty. I like these things that hang down. So those would be called leaves and branches, those things. So anyway, if you decide to grow your own kitchen lettuce, sorry, that's a little off, let me know. I think I'm going to be able to plant some in the next couple days. And then I expect to be making salads constantly. That probably won't happen. But anyway, I hope you guys are finding stuff to do. And I'll check back with you soon. I don't know what those are. They might be carrots. That's a lot of carrots if those are little carrot babies. I'll keep you posted. It'll be a surprise for everyone, you and me.